I know people who are vegetarians except for bacon. The magical flavor is just too hard to pass up. Today we're gonna make bacon salt. Start by setting your oven to 350 degrees and cooking off your bacon on a sheet tray about 30 minutes until it's really crispy, almost overcooked. Then you're gonna blot it dry with paper towel to remove any excess grease. Then let it cool slightly and add it to your food processor. Now we're gonna blitz it until it's almost a sandy consistency. Okay. Now we're going to add it to our mason jar. It smells like bacony goodness. Scrape down those sides. Okay, and we're gonna add our salt. Pour that in there, just to the top, and then take a spoon and give it a good mix. You wanna combine that thoroughly till it really feels grainy and sandy. If you make a mess, just put it right back in there. And this is great because it goes on just about everything. Put it on fresh tomatoes, on fruit, watermelon or peaches. Put it on your morning scrambled eggs or mashed potatoes for dinner. It goes with just about everything. You're gonna love it. For more deliciousness like this video and subscribe to my channel.